Dr. Carroll, let's talk about food addiction. Now, people have to eat every day, so how can food be addictive?
Food addiction is kind of like the sex addiction question in that it's not really about a particular substance and it's not about a particular behavior. It's when that behavior is obsessive compulsive out of control behavior done in spite of negative consequences, self and others. So when our eating behavior, whatever, going to the refrigerator at 3 in the morning, and it's out of control, we have to do that, and then we feel bad about it afterwards, there's a negative consequence, then it's addictive. There's a lot of behaviors around eating that easily become addictive, and it's disconnecting. It's not eating in a sense of a relationship with food or a relationship with other people. It's the solitary eating, it's the compulsive eating to relieve pain. That's what makes it addictive. Now, to compound that, we also have the substance addiction part of food addiction, which is the sugars in the foods that people could become addicted to. They're usually not addicted to proteins. We get addicted to carbohydrates and sugars. And that's because those things release serotonin in our brains. Serotonin is the same thing that gets released when we drink alcohol. So while alcohol is certainly physically addictive, there's all that aspect to it. But a huge part of alcohol addiction is that release of serotonin, which when it's done to an extreme, releases dopamine. Goes into the pleasure centers of the brain, causes we have all that stimulation, we have that reward, and ultimately between the serotonin and the dopamine, we have that relief of pain, that general sense of, oh, I feel better. That's what becomes addictive. So for food, we definitely have a combo of a substance addiction and the behavioral addiction.